Good morning, everyone, or afternoon or evening, whatever time you're watching this. It is -2 here in Fort McMurray today, and -7 with the wind chill, whatever you want to use. And it's, of course, another energy draining, dull day. Not my favorite kind of days. So yeah, it's going to be in the minuses coming for this coming week. I think the highest we're going to be is probably a -8 or something. I'm not sure, but we'll see as we go about it daily. Lot of ice on the roads. Well, folks, this is my... Oh yeah, okay, no, okay, he's staying put, that's good. Whoops, sorry about that. So this is my last day for the week at work. Thank God, thank God, thank God. It's so tiring. It's been a busy week at work. We had a big order on Wednesday. And I was still putting out stuff actually yesterday from the order that had been buried in other skids, so there you go. So yesterday, I guess they did the groundhog thing here in Alberta, and it says 6 more weeks of winter. Well, 6 weeks is about right. I just hope that we get some more snow before then. We really need that moisture in our ground. I'd like to see a good big dumping. I know other people say, man, you're crazy if you want that, but I'm not crazy to want a forest fire, right? Yeah, the last thing that we're going to need is a forest fire. Excuse me. Oh, my throat's sore a little bit. Don't want to go through that again. And everything is just, you can tell it's going to be dry. Has not been enough moisture in the ground. I don't know how many people have ever lived through a wildfire. Out there that views this channel, but it is not pretty. Very scary. If you ever driven through a forest fire, it's like comes at you from all sides, from wherever, right? And it's a very scary thing to go through. And I can remember when we had that forest fire back in 2016, going up Beacon Hill, and to the left of me was waterways, and that's where a lot down there was a mobile home park, and you could hear, and there were also houses and stuff too, of course, down there, but you could hear propane explosions. I mean, it was just like pop, bang, bang, bang. You would think you were in a war zone. It's a very scary thing to go through, and like, I just do not want to go through it no more. No way. And the devastation that leaves you afterwards. Like, I got off really lucky. I did. I just had to replace my shingles on my roof of my home. But for the people that had the nightmare of losing everything, it was awful for them. I mean, a lot of them just gave it all up and just left, I guess, or whatever, because they couldn't get no satisfaction with anything. I know up in Abazan it took almost 3 years or more for some of the houses to be rebuilt. These were townhomes, and it was just awful for these people. They still had to pay a mortgage, and then they had to pay for a place to live while they were waiting for their home to be constructed. And then there was a problem with the builder with all kinds of issues, and I know a lot of people just end up declaring bankruptcy because they couldn't afford it anymore. So yeah, it's not something nice to go through, and I hope that we're not going through it again. And of course, the community itself is like businesses that never survived and never came back. And the look at the town has just changed so dramatically. So yeah, pray that we're not the only ones, I know, but pray for more snow, more participation. I can't say, you know what I mean. Pray for more rain or snow or something, you know, that we can moisture this ground. And the farmers, like, they need it so bad too for their crops, right? I mean, for wheat and for cattle, for everything. I know on my land I grow alfalfa. There's alfalfa there, and they only got one planting, one crop off. Usually they can grab 2, but last year it was only 1. So if we don't get nothing, there probably won't be anything this year. And I don't keep it. I give it to one of the local farmers in the area. He comes and clears it off, and I just say, bye, you can just keep it. I don't want nothing for it. I don't have no machinery to clear anything, so he does me a favor and by clearing it, and he's using his machinery, so I just let him use have the hay for his cattle. So it works out good for both of us, but there's probably not going to be much this year unless we get rain, right? Anyway, folks, this is Shelley DeLint with Shelley DeLint Media. I am over my time. I am over my time. I'm late for work. Well, anyway, folks, take care. God bless. Have a great and wonderful day. Don't forget to go and visit your mom and your dad, and love your spouses and your kids and your friends, eh? And don't forget to say hi to a stranger and smile at them. You could be the only one that do. Anyway, folks, take care. God bless, and we'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye.